Hello, Miss Thinker here. Your daily source for mind-blowing facts, forgotten history, and powerful motivation. Today, I will talk about the most mind-blowing space discoveries of the decade. Hello, space enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Get ready to have your minds blown because today we're diving deep into the cosmos to explore some of the most staggering and unbelievable discoveries humanity has ever made. From planets made of diamond to rain that isn't water, the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we could have ever imagined. So buckle up as we journey through 10 mind-bending space discoveries that will change the way you see the universe. Let us start with something that sounds like it's straight out of a treasure fantasy, a planet made of diamond. Meet 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth located about 40 light-years away. This exoplanet is twice the size of Earth but has 8 times its mass. What makes it truly extraordinary is its composition. Scientists believe that its surface is likely covered in graphite and that beneath that lies a thick layer of pure diamond. Imagine a world where mountains and valleys are carved from one of the most precious gems on Earth. The immense pressure and high temperatures on this planet could have squeezed carbon into a solid, glittering sphere. While we can't exactly go mining there, the mere existence of a diamond planet challenges our assumptions about what planets can be made of. Next up, let's talk about a place where it rains glass, sideways, on exoplanet HD 189733b. The weather forecast is perpetually terrifying. This deep blue gas giant might look serene from a distance, reminiscent of our own Earth, but it's a world of extremes. Its brilliant blue hue isn't from oceans, but from an atmosphere laced with silicate particles. What are silicate particles? Think of them as tiny grains of glass. These particles are whipped around the planet by winds blowing at over 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. This creates a horrifying storm of horizontal, razor-sharp glass rain. It's a beautiful but deadly world that reminds us how alien other planets can truly be. Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered if there are others like it? Well, the universe has plenty, and some are truly bizarre. Take Jupiter's moon, Io. It's the most volcanically active body in our entire solar system. Its surface is a chaotic canvas of yellows, reds, and blacks, painted by constant eruptions from hundreds of volcanoes. These volcanoes spew sulfur and sulfur dioxide high into its thin atmosphere, creating plumes that can reach up to 300 miles high. This intense volcanic activity is caused by the immense gravitational pull from Jupiter, which constantly squeezes and stretches the moon, heating its interior. Io is a world in constant turmoil, a real-life Mordor right in our cosmic backyard. From fire and brimstone, let's journey to a place of incredible cold. On Saturn's moon Titan, you'll find lakes, rivers, and even rain. But there's a twist. It's not water. At a chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, water on Titan is as hard as rock. Instead, the liquid that carves its landscape is methane and ethane, compounds that are gases here on Earth. NASA's Cassini mission gave us stunning images of vast methane seas and intricate river networks. It even rains methane from orange, nitrogen-rich skies. Titan is one of the most Earth-like worlds we've ever found, with a dense atmosphere and a liquid cycle, but it's a chillingly alien version of our own planet. It makes you wonder what kind of life, if any, could possibly exist in such a strange environment. Now for something on a truly cosmic scale, the Great Attractor. Out there in the direction of the Hydra Centaurus supercluster is a gravitational anomaly so massive that it's pulling our own Milky Way galaxy along with hundreds of thousands of other galaxies towards it at a staggering 1.4 million miles per hour. For a long time, we couldn't even see what it was because our view was blocked by the dense plane of the Milky Way, an area called the Zone of Avoidance. We just knew something huge was there, its gravity tugging on everything around it. Recent studies suggest the Great Attractor is the central point of a massive supercluster of galaxies called the Laniakea supercluster. We are, quite literally, part of this colossal cosmic river all flowing towards an unseen destination. Let's talk about sound, or rather the lack of it in space. We've all heard the phrase, in space, no one can hear you scream. That's because sound needs a medium to travel through like air or water. But astronomers have found a way to hear the universe. They discovered that a supermassive black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster has been emitting pressure waves for billions of years. These waves ripple through the hot gas surrounding the black hole, creating a note. It's a B-flat, but about 57 octaves below middle C, making it far too low for human ears to hear. By translating these cosmic vibrations, scientists have captured the sound of a black hole, a deep, continuous hum that has been resonating through space for eons. Speaking of strange phenomena, how about a cosmic ghost? The Boat's void is one of the largest and emptiest regions of space we've ever discovered. It has a nearly spherical area about 330 million light-years in diameter that is almost completely devoid of galaxies. To put that in perspective, if the Milky Way were at its center, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s, while a region that should contain thousands of galaxies only has about 60. It makes scientists question our models of how the universe formed. Why is this enormous patch of space so empty? It's an eerie, silent expanse that serves as a humbling reminder of how much we still have to learn about cosmic structure. Now, let's get back to something you can see, or rather smell. If you could take a whiff of the center of our galaxy, what do you think it would smell like? According to astronomers who studied a giant dust cloud called Sagittarius B2, it would smell like raspberries and taste like rum. This is because the cloud is packed with a chemical called ethyl formate, which is the same compound that gives raspberries their fruity flavor. It's also a key component in the smell of rum. Of course, the cloud also contains plenty of less pleasant chemicals like poisonous propylcyanide, but it is fascinating to think that the building blocks of flavors we enjoy on Earth are floating around in the heart of the Milky Way. Let's discuss something a bit closer to home but equally mind-boggling: water in space. We know it exists on moons and in comets, but astronomers have discovered the largest and oldest reservoir of water ever detected. It's a colossal cloud of water vapor surrounding a quasar, a supermassive black hole actively feeding on material, located over 12 billion light-years away. This single reservoir contains at least 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This discovery is significant because it shows that water has been abundant in the universe since very early on, suggesting that the conditions for life could have existed long before our own solar system was even formed. Finally, let us end with a concept that feels like it's pulled from science fiction: a rogue planet. These are planets that don't orbit a star. They are cosmic wanderers drifting alone through the vast dark emptiness between stars. They were likely ejected from their original solar systems during their chaotic formation. Scientists estimate there could be billions or even trillions of these orphan planets in our galaxy alone. Imagine a world in perpetual darkness, warmed only by its own internal heat. While they're incredibly difficult to detect, their existence opens up a whole new category of celestial bodies and makes you wonder what other secrets are hiding in the interstellar void. From diamond planets and glass rain to ghost voids and rum-scented clouds, the universe is a place of infinite wonder and surprise. Each new discovery not only expands our knowledge, but also deepens our sense of awe. What other mind-blowing secrets are out there waiting to be found? Only time will tell. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another adventure into the unknown. What space discovery blows your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.